Hello, everyone. This is Sam, Kevin, Sasha, and Chris, and our submission for UFT Hacks is known as colloquia. So in this project, we were inspired by two major problems. Firstly, we noticed that public online discussion forums are toxic and result in irrelevant conversations that do not actually address the problem. Secondly, we also noticed that toxic discussions can discourage online users and cause emotional damage, hampering these discussions. So then we thought, how do we create meaningful and respectful discussions? This question now led us to our main project for UFT Hacks, which is a Socratic discussion platform where any user can share their thoughts and debate with others about a controversial topic in a toxicity-free environment. So in this project, for our front end, we use technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And for our backend, we use Python, Flask, JavaScript, jQuery, Cohere, and Firebase. So the objective of our project was to detoxify online discussions through automation to achieve effective conversations and encourage debate so that diverse topics can be explored, which is the theme for this event. The team was split into groups to accomplish the following tasks, which consisted of three things. Firstly, train Cohere to classify toxic language. Second, create a chat box accessible by many users. And lastly, app interaction and design. So firstly, we're going to first explore the implementation of Cohere. And in our Socratic discussion platform, our program provides a chatting box where multiple users can text their thoughts to a platform open to anyone. Moreover, a user can create a new topic, which results in a new discussion platform with the same process. For our server with socket.io, any user that opens the web application is able to start a conversation or add on to one. And for our database, we hosted it on Firebase. In terms of the future improvements, we were able to come up with 4 edit or unsend buttons that allow a user to modify or delete their message in a chat, the option to pin topics that are trending or highly controversial, a login page that makes users create an account before texting for security reasons, and lastly, add more structure to create more meaningful and moderated conversations.
So now we will be demoing the colloquia web app. To start off, the user will pick a color to identify or to distinguish their user. So I'll pick green as a demo. And then they go to the left side to create a new thread. So you can start any discussion here. I'm going to start a discussion saying cats versus dogs, then submit. So it pops on the side here, and I can click on this to join, and I can say, I think cats are better. It sends. So we'll wait for my roommate Kevin's response. He thinks, no, dogs are better. So obviously, I don't agree with him. I'm going to take it personally. I'm going to personally attack him. So I'm going to say, I hate you, Kevin. And oh no, Cohere will automatically identify that message as toxic and it'll send an alert saying, please be more mindful of your language. So say you want to ditch this thread and go to a different thread. So we can create another one. Say why math 137 should not be a requirement. Submit. Let's click on this and say, I hate math. So we'll wait for Kevin's response. It says, I love math 137. Proofs are so fun and helpful. And I can say, I respectfully disagree with that. So even though this is sort of a negative statement, I guess, Cohere still identifies that it's an argumentative statement, so it won't pass it as inappropriate. Okay, say I'm finished with this conversation and I want to go back to the cats versus dog debate. So I can go to the left here and click on this thread again, and boom, your conversation is still there for you to debate again.